Getting started with CtrlOps is super simple. Head over to the CtrlOps website and hit download. Choose the version that matches your system: Apple Silicon, Apple Intel, Windows, or Linux. Once downloaded, install and open the app. When you open it for the first time, it'll ask you for a license key to unlock full access. To get your license key, go back to the website and sign in to your account. You can use Google or your email. Once sign-up is complete, go to your dashboard. You'll see your plan and your active license key. And the best part, you get a 1-month free trial to explore everything CtrlOps has to offer. Just copy your license key. Paste the key into the app and hit Activate License. And that's it. You're in. CtrlOps is ready to go. Add your first server and start managing your infrastructure the smart way.